Tesla, driving fans wild with the image. And guess what is hiding under this dark, grainy photo? Well, you and I and everybody else may have to wait till September to see it in its full glory, but rumor has it that is the new all-electric semi-truck that Tesla says it's coming out with. Well, Tesla hitting a new high ahead of quarterly results out Wednesday and in the wake of that photo going viral. Before that, huge names will reveal how much they made or lost in earnings. Gradient Investments Senior Portfolio Manager Mariann Montagne says that even if you don't own these stocks, Mariann, they could move entire sectors or markets. Which names specifically are you looking at?
Well, just to look back a little bit at a company that already reported first, American Financial, not a household name, but many households have used their services, their mortgage title insurance, as companies and individuals continue to buy buildings. They'll need more and more of their services, so we see 20% upside from here. It's broken out recently on earnings. Okay. And then a company that we also like in here is Kohl's. So it's been hurt by seasonal factors, warm winter, and Kohl's has been affected by probably the lateness in returns on taxes, but we like it with about a 5.5% yield in here. We think that's a very strong buy.
Well, I'm surprised you're saying that because we report heavily on sort of the retail ice age and how Amazon is killing everybody. But on top of that, could you play this sort of as an arbitrage for a potential takeover target?
It could be, but that's not the way we're looking at it. You never know the timing on takeovers anyway. Okay. So we're just saying from the way it's valued in terms of PEs and yields, it's a great value in here, and we see about 20% upside. And then in terms of companies that are reporting this week, we like Facebook. It's selling at about 1 times its growth rate. I know Apple's coming out with earnings too. Yes. We're not big fans up here on that one. The valuation is like twice. Okay. And then, I'm sorry, Little Nutanix has been really taken to the cleaners lately, and we expect when they report earnings later this week, they'll have good orders and the stock will pick up again. Literally, I have 10 seconds. Are you worried when President Trump says that he's going to do a 21st century Glass-Steagall and break up the big banks? Yes or no? No, and let me throw in one more thing, and only here on Fox, we made a big trade today in our global tactical rotation portfolio into emerging markets momentum stocks. Okay, it's great to get your ideas and your concepts. Mariann Montagne, Gradient Investments Senior Portfolio Manager, $1.5 billion in assets. It's a record for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ hitting its highest level ever.